Hello, Reverend Dr. Anthusa Helena, introducing something you can utilize as a self help tool anytime you'd like, a brief meditation on mindfulness. How to become mindful. Restoration happens on an alchemical level when our attention is directed toward internal sensations. That means utilizing your body to feel and all of your human senses to become more aware, and any other extraordinary sensory perception mechanisms you can utilize to bring in more awareness on other levels. So let's join me now together in this brief encounter. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale fully through your nose and exhale through your mouth. At your own rate and speed, do that one more time with intention, inhaling and exhaling fully. And then just simply observe, resting in your normal breathing without thinking about that, and feeling as comfortable as you can. The more relaxed you are, the more receptive you will be. Whether that's sitting or lying down is your own preference at any moment in time. As you're observing, let your thoughts come and go, like clouds passing in the sky. You watch them, they pass by, and they go. Take time to notice your body and the sensations you're feeling. Whether it's a passing breeze, a sound, an itch, or a tingle. Put your attention on each part of your body in sequence from head to toe. Become aware the top of your head, around your head, front and back, face, side to side, down through your neck and throat, shoulders, arms, right arm and left, the back of your spine, the front of your spine, the front of your torso, all the way down to your waist and then into your hips and pelvis, buttocks in the back, pelvic bowl in the front, and then all the way down both legs, right and left, feeling the toes and the feet. Notice different sounds and smells. And if you're doing a contemplation meditation out in nature, the sights that are outward with your eyes open. But also now, if that's not the case, the sights that you're experiencing in your inner world. Any tastes or sensations of feelings of touching something or being touched. Allow your feelings to arise. Notice what comes into your awareness silently. And try to remember to do so without any judgment as much as possible, remaining neutral and just witnessing each and everything that arises and passes by, remembering to just let it go like you're witnessing or watching a movie. This helps your mind to be present and observant of what you are experiencing in each moment, whether it's the inner or outer world, as both actually mirror and reflect each other. Consciously be aware of and allowing presence to flow through you. Divine presence, spirit, energy, higher self, the God of your own understanding. Let it flow through you and be aware. Utilizing your body as a roadmap to guide you, one can fully integrate and feel whole again simply by ending resistance to what is through acceptance and awareness of the inclusion of everything. Soullight Integrative Medicine accesses your body where energy and consciousness intersect to gain wisdom and guidance and resolution, offering an integrated approach to psychotherapy. More details can be found at soullight.com. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Soullight and Thusa Helena, so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, trainings, and free events. Thank you. Enjoy.